to illustrate the problem with this latch, the problem is that this lock button never engages with the latch to lock it in place. It just flops, never even touches it. And it's not broken. It looks just the same as the lock button on the driver's side. So if I try to lock it, it locks fine, except it flops because it's not locked in place. I've tried both tightening and loosening it via this turn screw thingy here. That is not the problem. So, is this fixable so that the latch will engage with that lock to keep it in place and not flop?